Hello student, welcome to Easy English with PSB. And in this video, we'll discuss extract based multiple choice questions for the chapter The 100 Dresses Part 2. The first extract that we have, the first period was a study period. Maddie tried to prepare her lessons, but she could not put her mind on her work. She had a very sick feeling in the bottom of her stomach. True, she had not enjoyed listening to Peggy ask Wanda how many dresses she had in her closet. But she had said nothing. She had stood by silently, and that was just as bad as what Peggy had done. Worse, she was a coward. At least Peggy hadn't considered they were being mean, but she, Maddie, had thought they were doing wrong. She could put herself in Wanda's shoes. Goodness, wasn't there anything she could do? If only she could tell Wanda she hadn't mean to hurt her feelings. She turned around and stole a glance at Peggy. But Peggy did not look up. She seemed to be studying hard. Well, whether Peggy felt bad or not, she, Maddie, had to do something. She had to find Wanda Petronsky. Maybe she had not yet moved away. तो ये जो पैराग्राफ आपके सामने है उस टाइम का है जब वांडा स्कूल आना बंद कर देती है। वो शायद उस टाइम तक शहर छोड़ के जा चुकी थी, लेटर आ चुका था। तो ये मैडी के दिमाग में है कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया, ऐसा क्यों होने दिया। नाउ क्वेश्चंस, व्हाट डिड मैडी डू व्हेन पैगी टीज्ड वांडा? क्या करती थी वो? सी आस्क्ड पैगी टू स्टॉप, नहीं। सी चैलेंज्ड पैगी, ये भी नहीं। सी स्टूड बाई साइलेंटली, दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। सी स्टूड बाई साइलेंटली। हाउ डिड मैडी डिसाइड टू रिपेंट? कैसे पश्चाताप करने की सोचती है? बाय स्टैंडिंग अप अगेंस्ट पैगी, बाय कंप्लेनिंग टू मिस मैसन, बाय ब्रेकिंग हर फ्रेंडशिप विद पैगी, बाय फाइंडिंग वांडा एंड apologizing. Correct answer is this one, by finding Wanda and apologizing. What did Maddie think about Peggy's making fun of Wanda? She felt it was wrong. She felt ashamed of Peggy. She felt furious. She felt empathy towards Wanda. Correct answer, she felt it was wrong. उसको लगता था कि ये गलत है, लेकिन वो कुछ करती नहीं थी। What did Maddie want to tell Wanda? क्या बताना चाहती है वो वांडा को? That she liked her despite everything. That she did not like Peggy's teasing her. That she felt obliged to apologize. That she did not mean to hurt her feelings. This is the correct answer. That she did not mean to hurt her feelings. What change happened in Maddie after the whole incident with Wanda? क्या हुआ? कैसे बदल गई मैडी? She stopped talking to Peggy. She stopped caring about bullies. She decided to stand up for other people from next time. She decided to stand up for other people from next time. Now, second one, while the class was circling in the room, the monitor from the principal's office brought Miss Mason a note. Miss Mason read it several times and studied it thoughtfully for a while. Then she clapped her hands. Attention, class! Everyone back to their seat. When the shuffling of feet had stopped and the room was still and quiet, Miss Mason said, I have a letter from Wanda's father that I want to read to you. Miss Mason stood there a moment, and the silence in the room grew tense and expectant. The teacher adjusted her glasses slowly and deliberately. Her manner indicated that what was coming, this letter from Wanda's father, was a matter of great importance. Everybody listened closely as Miss Mason read the brief note. Now, question, how did Miss Mason treat the letter of Wanda's father? कैसा ट्रीटमेंट मिला उसको उस लेटर को? As a nuisance, as something very important, as something trivial, as something upsetting, as something very important. How did everybody react to Miss Mason reading the letter? They listened closely, they ignored her, they kept interrupting her, they surrounded her to take a look. They listened closely. What advice did she give to the class? क्या एडवाइस दिया उन्होंने अपनी क्लास को? To think about the incident. Do tell me your score after attempting all these 25 questions. What did Miss Mason think about the whole incident? वो क्या सोच रही थी उस पूरे इंसिडेंट के बारे में? इस इंसिडेंट की बात हो रही है। वांडा अपने फादर के साथ ये शहर छोड़ करके चली गई है। It was unfortunate and sad. It was wonderful news. It was funny. It was uncanny, strange. It was unfortunate and sad. Where had Wanda's family moved to? कहाँ चली गई उसकी family? To an island, to a village, to a big city, to another town, to a big city. उन्होंने ये शहर और स्कूल छोड़ दिया था. I think that where the Petronskis live, said Maddie, pointing to a little white house, wisp of old grass stuck up here and there along the pathway like thin kittens. The house and its sparse little yard looked shabby but clean. It reminded Maddie of Wanda's one dress, her fitted blue cotton dress, shabby but clean. There was not a sign of life about the house. Peggy knocked firmly on the door, but there was no answer. She and Maddie went around to the backyard and knocked there. Still, there was no answer. There was no doubt about it. The patron's keys were gone. How could they ever make amends? They turned slowly and made their way back down the hill. Now, questions. How did Wanda's house look? कैसा दिखता था? Savvy but clean, too small for a family, rustic, minimalist. Savvy but clean. Correct answer is savvy but clean. What did Wanda's house remind Maddie of? क्या याद दिलाया उसको? Wanda's faded blue cotton dress का. Wanda's faded blue cotton dress. Why did Maddie and Peggy go to Wanda's house? क्यों जाते हैं उसके घर? To apologize to her, to say goodbye, to tell her they liked her, to congratulate her on winning the competition. To apologize to her. किस लिए गए? To apologize to her. माफ़ी मांगने के लिए गए उसके पास. How is Wanda's house described? Wanda का घर कैसे describe किया गया है? Little, shabby but clean, white, all of these. Correct answer, all of these. Which word means the same as compensate? Amends, doubt, firmly, sparse. Correct answer, amends. Now, fourth one. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronsky. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda she had won. They told her how pretty her drawings were, and they asked her if she liked where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. They had mean to say they were sorry, but it ended up with their just writing a friendly letter, the kind they would have written to, and the good friend, and they signed it with lots of X for love. They mailed the letter to Boggins Heights, writing please forward on the envelope. Days passed and there was no answer, but the letter did not come back. So maybe Wanda had received it. Perhaps she was so hot and angry she was not going to answer. You could not blame her. Question number 1. What did Peggy and Maddie write in their letter to Wanda? That her drawings were pretty. ये तो सही है. That she had won the drawing contest. ये भी सही है. Hence, both 1 and 2. What had they mean to write in the letter? That they missed her, that they were doing well, that they had realized their mistake, that they were sorry. Correct answer, that they were sorry. उन्हें दुख था, that they were sorry. What was the tone of the letter they wrote to Wanda? किस टोन में उन्होंने लिखा? It was friendly, it was apologetic, it was impressive. None of these. They wrote the letter in a friendly manner. How? It was friendly. Why did they assume that Wanda may have got that letter? क्यों assume किया उन्होंने? ऐसा क्यों लगा? क्योंकि उस लेटर का कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आया और वो लेटर वापस भी नहीं आया. Because it did not come back. इसलिए उन्होंने एज्यूम किया कि लेटर उसको मिल गया होगा. और चूंकि वो नाराज थी इसलिए उसके रिप्लाई की कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी. What happened to Wanda that changed Peggy and Maddie's feelings towards her? क्या हुआ उसके साथ? She had disappeared. She had left the school as well as the town. She had won the drawing competition. She had proved that she owned 100 dresses. She had left the school as well as the town. Now, last one. Do tell me your score in comment section after attempting all these 25 questions. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little light-lipped police girl again and could not ever really make things right between them. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper in the bedroom. The shabby room came alive from the brilliancy of the colors. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing. She had stood by and said nothing, but Wanda had been nice to her anyway. Now questions. Who is she here? किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग? मैडी के बारे में. मैडी. Where did Maddie pin the drawing? कहाँ पे उसने पिन किया? On her restroom's walls, on the ceiling of her room, over a torn place in her pink wallpaper. This is the correct answer. Over a torn place in her pink wallpaper. What happened when Maddie pinned Wanda's drawing in her room? The room looked shabby. The shabby room came alive. It looked odd. It looked too bright for Maddie's liking. Correct answer. The shabby room came alive. How was Wanda's behavior towards Maddie? She was bitter. She was nice to her. She was indifferent. She was vengeful. Correct answer. She was nice to her. What was it that Maddie was feeling ever since Wanda had left the school? Guilt, elation, fear, anger. Elation मतलब होता है खुशी, बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होना. ऐसा तो कुछ था नहीं. उसको डर भी नहीं था, उसको गुस्सा भी नहीं आ रहा था. She was feeling guilt. ग्लानि महसूस कर रही थी वो. That's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're watching this channel for the first time.